Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata, this is a hybrid version, but this will work on all of them. We're going to go over how you release this shifter without the key. So initially this shifter would release once you started the vehicle and you pressed in the brake and to be able to release it. Say we don't have the key or we need to get our vehicle towed, we want to put it in neutral. And so we're going to go over how you can manually put this to move the shifter. So right up here at the top of where your listings are for your gears, the park, reverse, and neutral, there is a little cover here, and it even says shift lock release. So we're going to pop that cover with use a screwdriver or a non-marring pick tool. And then once you've popped the cover, then you can press the tool in there and be able to pull it back and to put it into neutral. So once it's out, you don't need to have this in here once you get it past park. But once you put it back into park, it will lock, and then you can press your screwdriver back in there to put it into neutral if you need to. And then once you get your vehicle moved out of the road or on the tow truck, you can just push that back up into park and then put your little cover back on. And so that's how you would manually release your gear selector on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.